Here we go. Whenever you're ready.
Random chainsaw in the woods. Oh fuck, it does work. I wonder if I could do something like that. Fucking piece of shit.
You stole it, man. It's your fucking shit.
Oh, it's water.
You're fucked.
That's awesome. Alright. Go get some weed.
Man, we can't get weed.
That was fucking awesome, man.
Yeah, my word. What the fuck? Why do you have a chainsaw, man?
I don't know, but okay, remember how they were talking about some camp up by Gerard?
Yeah.
Well, I stole that generator and the chainsaw out of his camp.
Oh, my, out of Gerard's?
No, out of the guy's camp down by Gerard. Pedal biking down the fucking, through the woods and down the main road with a chainsaw in my hand.
How big is the Jenny? Compared to mine?
Like, 1/3.
Cause I had a fucking massive Jenny.
Yeah, this is only meant for powering like 4 plug outlets, like let's say a TV. You can put your micro, like just main components that you need in a camp.
Yeah.
Is what it would power, your lights and shit too.
Yeah, for sure. We'll just bring extra gas back there. I'll chuck for some gas.
So it only costs $15 to run it for the night.
Yeah, but just in case, right?
Yeah, I know.
I don't mind chucking $20 on a thing of fucking gas.
Wouldn't have to chuck 20, dude. 20 would last me the night plus extra.